In Bellevue, 5 teens are in big trouble after allegedly firing airsoft guns at people. Police say it happened earlier today in the 100 block of 140th Avenue Southeast. They say the teens were driving in a car targeting random people. Authorities were tipped off to the crime when one man called 911 saying he was hit.
On the surface, it seems like a pretty simple matter. It actually can become pretty dangerous and complex pretty quickly. And I mean, the guns, they look like airsoft guns, but there are a lot of airsoft guns that don't, that could easily be mistaken for a real gun. And so this presents some danger, for not just for the kids, for the teenagers, right, depending on what the gun looks like, but also, I mean, we don't want a citizen who thinks they're being shot at by a real gun to take action either.
The teens were eventually pulled over by police. The school district is investigating and may take disciplinary action, and one teen may face charges. Luckily, though, no one was seriously injured.